Have you ever wondered about the importance of having healthy meals during Ramadan? Central to this observance are the meals of Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, and Iftar, the meal to break the fast at sunset. It's essential to maintain a balanced diet during this time. Not only does it help sustain energy levels throughout the day, but it also respects the spiritual essence of Ramadan, a time of self-discipline and reflection. A common mistake is overeating during Iftar, which can lead to indigestion and weight gain. Instead, aim for a balanced meal with the right portions of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Equally important is hydration. Remember, your body needs to stay hydrated, especially during long summer days. So it's clear that maintaining a balanced diet during Ramadan is not just about physical health, but it's also about respecting the spiritual significance of this holy month. Now it's time to jump into the preparation of healthy suhoor meals. Suhoor is a crucial part of your Ramadan day, acting as the pre-dawn meal that fuels your body for the entire fasting period. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about nourishing your body with the right types of food. Avoid the temptation of sugary fried foods and caffeine during suhoor. They may seem appealing, but they'll likely lead to a midday energy crash. Instead, focus on foods that release energy slowly and steadily. For suhoor, it's good to have a balanced meal that includes complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, protein for satiety, and healthy fats. Start with a simple yet nutrient-dense meal. One option is oatmeal with fruits and nuts. Prepare oatmeal with water or your choice of milk. Top it with sliced bananas, berries, and a sprinkle of chopped nuts, almonds, walnuts, or pecans. You can also add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. How about whole grain toast with avocado and eggs? Toast whole grain bread. Spread mashed avocado on top. Serve with poached, scrambled, or boiled eggs for protein. Consider serving up a plate of whole grain bread. Whole grains are packed with fiber, helping you feel full for longer. Pair this with a side of protein-packed eggs, cooked in a healthy manner, perhaps boiled or poached. Greek yogurt with berries and granola is another healthy choice. Choose plain Greek yogurt. Add a handful of mixed berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. Sprinkle a small amount of granola for crunch and additional fiber. Vegetables are a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals. You might want to include a variety of them to make your meal colorful and appealing. To round off your suhoor, add a serving of fruit. Fruits are naturally sweet and packed with antioxidants, offering a healthier alternative to sugary snacks that might leave you feeling drained later on in the day. For health suhoor drinks, try these. Water. Nothing like a glass of water to ensure you're well hydrated before the fast begins. You can have a cup of green tea. Green tea is a good source of antioxidants and can provide a gentle energy boost without the jitters of caffeine. It's also hydrating and can be enjoyed hot or cold. How about smoothies? Blend together leafy greens such as spinach or kale, fruits like bananas, berries, or mango, and a source of protein such as Greek yogurt or protein powder for a nutritious and filling drink. With these nutrient-dense foods and drinks, your suhoor meal will keep you energized and satisfied throughout your fast. Moving on to Iftar, the meal that breaks the fast. Start with dates and water to break your fast. High in natural sugars, fiber, and potassium, dates are a traditional and healthy way to break the fast due to their ability to provide a quick energy boost. Once the prayers are over, then have a balanced meal that includes lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and vegetables. Now let's move on to a balanced Iftar meal. Opt for homemade lentil or vegetable soups. They are hydrating, nutritious, and a gentle way to reintroduce fluids and nutrients to your body after a day of fasting. Lentil soup with whole grain bread. Prepare a hearty lentil soup with onions, carrots, celery, and a blend of spices. Serve with a slice of whole grain bread for a satisfying meal. Another easy but nutritious meal would be grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted vegetables. Marinate chicken breast in your preferred spices and grill until cooked through. Serve with a side of cooked quinoa and a mix of roasted vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots. Grilled chicken is a great option, packed with lean protein that helps repair and build body tissues. Pair it with a baked sweet potato and a side salad of mixed greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Here's another healthy option. Grilled fish with sweet potato and salad. Grill a fillet of your favorite fish, such as salmon or tilapia, with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of herbs. Fresh salad? A mix of fresh greens, tomatoes, cucumbers and bell peppers with a light vinaigrette provides essential vitamins and minerals, along with hydration. Yogurt with fruit, plain Greek yogurt with fresh fruit or a small amount of honey can provide protein, probiotics, and a natural sweetness to satisfy your post-fast cravings. Steamed vegetables, a rainbow of bell peppers, broccoli and carrots. These are teeming with vitamins and fiber, boosting your immune system and promoting a healthy digestive tract. And let's not forget the carbs. A serving of brown rice does the trick. It's an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy, keeping you feeling full longer. Now, the drinks. Instead of reaching for sugar-laden sodas or juices, why not go for that cool water? Nothing better that, right? Rehydrate with plenty of water once you break your fast. Following that, you can have any of these. Coconut water. It's a natural source of electrolytes and can help replenish fluids and minerals lost during the day. Homemade fruit-infused water. Prepare a pitcher of water with slices of citrus fruits, lemon, lime or orange, or cucumber and mint for a refreshing and flavorful drink. Buttermilk is a traditional Middle Eastern drink that can help restore electrolyte balance and provide a source of protein and calcium. Homemade lemonade, sweetened with a touch of honey, is not a bad idea. It's refreshing and packed with vitamin C. Or perhaps a warm cup of herbal tea, a soothing finish to your meal, aids digestion and helps you unwind after a long day. These drinks can complement your meals and help you stay hydrated and nourished during Ramadan. Remember, Iftar is about replenishing your body's nutrients, not overindulging. With these healthy options, you can break your fast in a nourishing and satisfying way. To recap, the importance of balanced meals during Ramadan cannot be overstated. For Suhoor, your meal should be rich in complex carbohydrates to provide lasting energy throughout the day. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and protein sources to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. As for Iftar, start with dates and water to replenish your body after a day of fasting, followed by a light soup to prepare your stomach for the main course. After prayer break, you can start with main meals. Opt for lean proteins, whole grains, colorful vegetables for a nutrient-dense meal. Remember, overeating can lead to discomfort and health issues. Keep in mind that you need to be alert and attentive for the night prayers. A heavy meal would make you sleepy and sluggish. Water, herbal teas, and freshly squeezed juices are excellent choices to stay hydrated. Finish it off with healthy drinks. As we've seen, a healthy Ramadan is about balance and moderation. So let's make this holy month a time of physical and spiritual rejuvenation.
O Allah, wake us from the sleep of negligence. Grant us an increase in awareness of you before it is too late. Bless us with the ability to take advantage of our time in what benefits us for our appointed time. And forgive us, our parents, and all Muslims by your mercy, for you are the most merciful of the merciful. And may the prayers and peace of Allah be upon our Prophet Muhammad and upon his family and companions.